Hi everyone, and welcome to Poetic Art, where we paint, write and express. Today we're diving into our beautiful painting kit, perfect for kids, beginners or anyone looking for a relaxing creative session. Today we're painting something bold and beautiful, a bright red glowing tree. It's one of my favorite pieces because it's simple, relaxing and really eye-catching once it's done. So let's get started. Step 1. Materials needed. For this painting, you will need black paint, white paint, dark red paint, and light red paint, which is mixed with a bit of orange to make it light. You will also need a medium flat brush and a thin pointy brush, a small sponge, and about 7 earbuds tied together with an elastic band or tape. Our canvas today is 10 by 8 inches, but you can use any size that you like. Make sure you also have a cup of water and a piece of paper towel. Step 2. The background. We're going to start with a soft grey background. Take your flat brush and drip a small amount of black paint onto the canvas. Remember, a little goes a long way. Then dip your sponge into the white paint and gently start blending the colors together. Move your sponge up and down to blend, using soft, steady motions until you create a warm, soft grey. If the color starts looking too dark, simply add a little bit more white paint to lighten it up. We want a light, warm grey so that your tree can really pop. Take your time and try to keep the center of the canvas as bright as possible. When you're happy with your background, set it aside to dry for about 15 minutes. Step 3. The ground and the trunk. Next, we'll add the ground for the tree to stand on. Take your flat brush and dip it into the black paint. Paint a bumpy line across the bottom of your canvas from one side to the other. This does not have to be perfect. Just make it look natural, like uneven ground. Once that's done, we'll move on to painting the tree. Now, grab your flat brush and paint your tree trunk using the black paint. Start from the bottom and paint upwards, branching out as you go. Make the trunk thicker at the base and thinner near the top. Step 4. The beautiful glowing leaves. And here is where the fun begins. We'll be using our earbuds to create beautiful clusters of leaves. Dip the earbud into the black paint and start dabbing around the branches. Use small, gentle dabs to make little oval shapes, about 3 or 4 dabs per cluster. Don't fill it too much. Leave some space so the tree looks light and natural. Keep going with the black paint until your tree starts to form a little triangle shape, wider at the bottom and narrower at the top. Once it feels full, let it dry for about 3 minutes. While that's drying, you can touch up your ground again. Just use your flat brush and paint it fully black to anchor your tree. Take the other side of your earbuds and dip it into the dark red paint. Gently dab on top of your black leaves. Not all over, just above 2/3 of each cluster. This layering gives the leaves depth and makes them glow. Make sure you only cover the top part of the black leaves. Once that dries slightly, add your light red paint. You can even mix a little yellow with red to make it look brighter. Add highlight on top of the red cluster. This is what makes the tree come alive. Keep going until you've filled up the whole tree with the red dabs at the top. You can even flick a few red splatters across the background for a playful touch. Thanks for painting with Poetic Art, where we paint, write, and express. We also have a monthly paint and create subscription kit with different themes, including sunset, blue sunset, moonlight evening, house with lights, and my personal favorite, floating bubbles, and many more to come. You can contact me at nolo@poeticart.org for more details. Let's create together. Poetic art. Paint it again and again. And don't forget, leave me a comment below and tell me what themes you'd like to see included in our upcoming Poetic Art Paint and Create subscription kits. Your idea might just inspire our next box.